In this video, I am going to tell you 10 new Canva keywords from which you can create amazing ideas and you can create beautiful illustrations. So in the previous video, I told you about Canva. Canva is one of the most powerful graphic designing tool. Canva is an all-in-one designing tool for creators. So all the photographers, all the designers and all the illustrators, they use the Canva for making amazing designs. From basic image editing to banners and GIF, you can do a lot with Canva. But inside the Canva, there are many hidden keywords and the elements. So in this video, I am going to tell you some hidden elements which you can search and through which you can make amazing designs. You can do photo editing, you can make cards, posters, banners, flyers, infographics, postcards, etc. So without wasting time, let us start this video. So first of all, I am creating a design. So click on the button create a design. Now you can change the background if you want to. Now click on the elements. So here there are many hidden elements. Many elements which are very difficult to search and are not visible in front. You can choose any of the element which you like. So through this you can make amazing card, you can make amazing designs, posters. So the first element is watercolor. Now here you can add your text. So click on the text option. Now you can add a heading. So here I have typed rainbow. Now you can change the style of the font and also you can make your font bigger or smaller. Now I have changed the text. Now I have written life is beautiful. Wow, isn't it looking such a beautiful design? So the next keyword is pattern. Now inside the pattern you can see many patterns are available. Floral pattern, you can choose any of the pattern, for example geometric. In geometric there are many shapes available. Next you can choose any of the floral pattern which you like and you can create your own patterns. You can customize it and you can change whatever way you like. The next element is stroke. So here you can see there are many elements: paint stroke, brush stroke. So artists can use this. If you want to give an artistic appearance in your design, then you can either choose brush stroke or paint stroke. Next keyword is brutalist. So inside this, here also you can find many elements are available. So you can choose any of the element which you like. The next keyword is vivid leaves. So here you can find many of the leaves and the patterns. So you can use them for creating botanical illustrations. Now here I found a very beautiful element, so I am using this to create my own design. Also you can add animation, you can animate your design according to yourself, whichever way you like. The next element is minimal. Inside this, you can find an amazing illustrations, amazing designs such as heart, planet, stars, leaves, flower. The next element is me time. So I think girls will love it. Girls can use this to make an amazing design.